that? Hello. Well, hey everybody, welcome back. It's Mark. And the lake is up, way up. It's great. I love it when it goes up, but the transition period sucks. There's, debris in the water, etc. But when it calms down, I love the way this lake fishes when it's way up. Here is a little taste of April, a compilation or a smorgasbord of bass. Check it out. John! Hello. Numero uno today is a little spotted bass on the spook. I just saw this guy at the gas station. I'm like, man, go in the quiet water and throw spook. Been out here a couple minutes and it worked. Got him. Very subtle. He just came up and slurped it. Very subtle. That's a nice spotted bass. Bam. Nice fish. Oh yeah, dude, yes, that was badass. Long casted it into that shallow. I mean, wow. We got 3 keeper. That's a spot too. It's a baby, but hey, cool bite. Let's see if we got another one in these shallows, you guys. How about that? We got a small 15-pound bag developing, all on that gorgeous MJB walking bait by Shonka Lures. Bam! All right. Oh yeah, big shot. Look at this. Woo! Freaking smoke show. Man, back to back. Yeah, I'm happy. It's that time of year, guys. I love it. I love this time of year. Me home to the mountain. He's tiny. Why? Man. And then we catch this guy. They're hungry. I can tell you that much. These bass want to eat. Oh my God, you guys, this is fantastic. Ooh, this is the end. I'm gonna go ahead, you guys, and raise the motor up as it goes. We're going back to fresh water coming in. This is the end. I'm gonna fish that side on my way up. Basically, throwing a walking bait painted up by Steve Miller at Shonka Lures. It's the MJB Pearl White with gills. Oh, another good one. Look at that. What a great, fun day. I'm out of here. I just caught, literally, I need one more to have a 15+ pound bag like that. Are insane. It's already a plus. It was a great practice day. I like what I'm seeing in the areas that I'm seeing them. Everything else after this a freaking bonus. I am gonna throw some weird shit here in a minute. Newspaper for a half night. Happy hours, yeah. Man, good morning. Good morning. I got a half an hour I want to catch 5 more fish in this area. Think we can do it? Any size. 5 fish. Let's do it. Got him. It's a good one. First cast. Oh yeah. Hello. He ain't 15-inch largemouth, but he came to play. First cast on this kind of little secret I've been working on. See if we get another one. Got him. He got off. He was a little spot, but he wanted to party. Yeah, they're in here. How about that, you guys? There's another one. That's a friggin', what a great day. I don't think he's 15. He's close. $14 and a big half. That was fun though. Are they eating topwater? I'd say so. What a great day. Thank you for partying with me. If you like this kind of topwater content, please subscribe, like, and comment. All right, I'll see you next week.